Welcome back to our channel, where we share tips and tricks for freelancers and entrepreneurs. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to create a Fiverr account, the popular platform where you can offer your skills and services to a global audience. So, if you're ready to kickstart your freelancing career, let's get started. First step is to open your web browser and go to www.fiverr.com. Once you're on the homepage, as you scroll down you will be able to see a variety of services you can offer as a freelancer, but first click the Join button in the top right corner. As you can see, we have got different options such as Facebook, Google, and Apple, or manually entering your email and password, but for this time we are going to use Gmail. Now you have to suggest a username, and remember it is a one-time username so it cannot be changed, and we suggest writing your first name combined with the services you provide as I used. Insider_writes. On the profile setup page, you'll be asked to provide some basic information about yourself and the services you offer. Start by uploading a profile picture. Make sure it's a professional looking photo that represents you and your brand well. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Fiverr account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more freelancing tips and tutorials. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.